So you just built your very first gaming PC, and now you're looking for a webcam so you can use it for your streaming or your video recording on your gaming or whatever. And you go to Amazon and look for a Logitech C920, the very popular webcam for your computer, which is a very high price now, which is $90 or €90 here in Europe, which is I cannot afford. So that's why we are here. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam for your computer for free. So you don't have to pay $90 or whatever, but you can still support the developer, of course. So this software is called webcam. So you have to go to your browser and search for webcam, and this will pop up the very first, and then you open this one, and then you can see this webcam. So this is the software client for your mobile phone or your smartphone. So this is completely free. The first thing you have to do is download the software, and then download the app on your Apple device or your Android devices. So go to your App Store or Google Play Store and then install and open this. So this is what it looks like when you open the app on your smartphone. You can see here there are some settings that you can choose. You can enable the flash. You have their signal bar here, the mirror. So then you can rotate the camera. You can use your both camera. I mean the front or the rear. You can choose. Of course, you can the settings. You can change the resolution up to 4K. I think this is 4K. Then the frame rate, you can set up to 60 frames per second. The video quality, you can set it up to high, low, medium. And then the encoder, you can set it to HEVC or the H.264. And then the audio quality, you can set it to low, medium, or high. And then to purchase the full version, you have to pay €10.99, or depend on which country you are. So if you are very nice people, you can support the developer. And that's it. To connect this application to your PC, you have to connect by a USB. So, and then what you are going to do to connect is use your USB cable of your smartphone and then plug it into your computer. As you can see here, after I plug in, it connects automatically. On your Android device, you have to use your cable, and then you have to set the USB debugging. You have to go to developer option and set USB debugging. So that's it. That's how easy to use this application. So this is completely free. Of course, you can support the developer. €10.99 or $10 in your country. So this application or this software, you can use this webcam for your Skype or video. You can use it for broadcasting. You can use it in your OBS studio, or just microphone or camera for your computer. So if you want more of this video, guys, please hit the like button and then share my videos and subscribe to my channel. If you please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.